Hello, welcome to my Google Voice tutorial. If you're like me, you're trying to improve communication between parents and the school. Oftentimes, school phones are not really conducive to helping us stay in touch with the people we need to. So what we have is the ability to create a Google Voice account using our school Gmail accounts. Once you create these accounts, you're going to be able to send text to parents, receive text from parents. You'll be able to call parents from your computer. You'll be able to receive phone calls from parents, which will go straight to a voicemail account, which is recorded in your email accounts. You'll get both a recording of a message from a parent, or you will receive a Google transcript of the message, which has some benefits for documentation. So to create your Google Voice account, you're going to need to go to your Nine Square back in your Google account. You're going to click down to More. You're going to go down to Even More from Google, and you're going to head down to the Home Office section, and you're going to select Voice. Once you launch Google Voice, it's going to ask you to accept their terms. Of course we do. And they're going to ask you to set up a Google Voice number. This is the key here. One of the things we're trying to do is get away from that area where you're sharing your personal cell phone number with families, giving them complete control of when they contact you. And so this is about getting a free number from them. So you want to get a new number from Google, and you're going to have to actually link up your Google Voice account with a phone number. So you will be using your personal cell phone to create the account, but no phone calls will be going to your cell phone unless you send them there, nor will anybody ever see your personal phone number, so there's no way to get in touch with you. So you'll want to enter in your personal cell phone number. And what's going to happen is they're going to call your cell number, and it's going to ask you to just quickly type in the number that they're showing so they can verify that you are in fact the owner of that phone. So you'll do that. Right now, I quickly skipped past the signing up process because I've already had my account set up. Google will walk you through those steps after you enter the verification code. I want to take you now to my Google Voice account so you can see some of the settings that I've set up. Here I can see the number that I've linked up to be used with my Google Voice phone number. I have not forwarded my calls to Google Chat, nor do I want my work phone to ring when a parent calls. I want it straight to go to voicemail or text. When I head into this section, I did record I just recorded my name so that when callers hear uh, the message, my name, Kevin Grace, appears. Notifications go straight to my kgrace@bsd account. These were all default settings, so I didn't have to change anything in here. In this section, I also did not change any of the default settings. So I want to give you a little tour of how Google works right now. So now that I have this set up, I have the ability to send a quick text message to myself. It does access automatically my Google contact list. So names oftentimes will pop up for you. I'm testing this. I hit send. I look down at my personal cell phone where I just sent that text message to, and it shouldn't take more than 30 seconds or so for that to come through. I also have the ability to make a phone call. Once I enable the plugin for Google Voice, I can do this. So if I wanted to call my home, I can type in the number and connect. It says using Google Talk. I also have the choice to use Google Hangout, which I prefer not to use. Once I connect, My phone is ringing, and I'm waiting for somebody to pick up. So you just hear sort of a computer dialing sound, and nobody's home at my house, so it's going right to my uh, own personal voicemail system, so I can choose to leave a message on the answering machine for somebody. So I'll hit cancel on that. When messages come through, I'm given a recording. This was a 14-second message that was sent to me. The transcript is, hello, this is Kevin Grace testing Google Voice. It tells me the number that it was called from. So again, this just sort of gives you a visual of who calls as well as the audio version. And these are some of the great features you'll find within Google Voice.